Namaste everyone, this is Sandeep and welcome to my channel Only Study by Sandeep Dhiman. Today we are going to discuss types of adverbs. In our previous videos we had discussed about the definition, and then after in next video we had discussed some examples, and we had tried to find out adverbs from the sentences. In this video we'll discuss the types of adverbs. Let's start. So types of adverb. First one we have adverb of time. If we talk about the definition, I have written simple definitions of these types. Simply we can say adverb of time, an adverb which expresses time of an action. Okay, clear? Now look here. Examples. She comes daily. He will return soon. So firstly, find adverb from the sentence, then after check what the adverb is showing. If it is showing the time, it is the adverb of time. If it is showing the place, it is the adverb of place, and so on. Okay, so here they are expressing, these adverbs are expressing time, so these are adverbs of time. Today, tomorrow, yesterday, last night, last day, just, now, ago, daily, already, early, soon. Such words are adverbs of time. Clear? Now next we have adverb of place. So simply which expresses place of an action. Look here. Example. There is air everywhere. So everywhere is denoting place. Please go away, also expressing place. So these are adverbs of place. If we talk about the other adverbs, then here, there, in, out, up, down, anywhere, nowhere, somewhere, without, above, far, near, etc. Such words are adverbs of place. Clear? Let's move to the next one. Next we have adverbs of number or frequency. Some writers have given two different descriptions of number and frequency, but I have put here them in one. Adverbs of number and frequency. So if we talk about the definition, then an adverb which expresses number or frequency of an action, how many times or how frequently an action is being done, the adverb of number or frequency tells that. Clear? Look here now. I met her once. How many times? Once. Okay. She seldom dances. How frequently she dances? Seldom. Clear? Now if we talk about other words of adverb of frequency, then once, again, always, often, such words. Okay, they show number or frequency. Clear? Then after, next we have adverbs of quantity. So simply which will be showing the quantity of, but not of an action. An action will not be in quantity. Adjective or adverb, which will be showing the quantity of an adjective or an adverb. Look at the examples. He rather busy. I am fully prepared. So these words are showing the quantity. How busy? Rather. How prepared? Fully. Okay. If we talk about other words, then very, to, altogether, nearly, partially, almost, such words. These are adverbs of quantity. Clear? Let's move to the next one. Here we have adverbs of manner. So it tells the method or manner of an action. Okay, how is an action being performed? So she ran. How? Fast. She fought. How? Bravely. So such words. Okay, So they are showing the manner. She walks slowly, then after, mm, foolishly, wisely, loudly, soundly, carefully, fluently, beautifully, clearly, such words, manners. Okay, an adverb which will be showing the manner or the method of an action will be adverb of manner. Clear? Okay, let's move to the next one, adverbs of reason. An adverb which will be showing the reason of an action. Okay, yesterday I had told you region and reason, reason and reason. Pronunciation looks same, but this is J sound, okay, and this is Z sound. In Hindi, J and J, nukta will be there in this. Okay, I hope this is a clear pronunciation. And if we talk about the definition, then an adverb which expresses reason of an action. So she, therefore, adverb, therefore, hence, or some more will be there, uh, consequently. Yesterday we had discussed about that. Okay, such words are reason, adverbs of reason. Next we have adverb of affirmation of negation or negation. So affirmation, positive, negation, negative, such words. Okay, an adverb which expresses affirmation or negation of an action. Look here, she did not go to the market. Not is negation, adverb of negation. She is certainly alive, adverb of affirmation. Clear? If I give you some more examples, then surely, certainly, probably, such words. Okay, then after we have interrogative adverb, an adverb which expresses or asks a question word, how, when, where, why, such words. Clear? So how much, here are the examples, how much you want, when will you return. I hope you got all these points. No need to memorize them, just understand. Once or twice you need to go through these definitions. If you understand, if you learn the types of these adverbs, you will be easily understand and find out them from the sentences. Okay, so next, here is homework. Write about the adverbs, types of adverbs, then after learn meaning and definitions, and then after categorize. This is important thing, you need to do this. I had asked you to find out adverbs from your English reader book. Find it. Yeah, I hope you have found that from there. Now categorize them into these types. Okay, and keep revising the topic. And this is important thing, keep improving your reading and writing skill. 15 minutes loud reading every day will improve your reading skill, and 1 page writing daily will improve your writing skill. So that's all for the day. Thank you.